So I'm in Warsaw's Frederikshavn Airport. It's 9 in the morning, 9:30 probably by now, because I got through security really well. I'm good. I'm glad I slept. I I'm ready for the day, and now I'm gonna go run and explore, see what shops I can, look at, and see what I can do. Uh, thank God everything's written in English. Thank God. I feel. Nah, I'm not. I could say something, because it's like our Spanish is very English. Does this make me Hispanic? No. I'll edit that out, I think. But, yeah, it's a beautiful day. I think it's probably now it's in the 70s here. And I'm just so happy. I'm happy. Had a really good flight. Had good food for airline food. Talked to these two boys. Well, you saw that. And, it was just nice to have somebody to talk to. They looked out for me. They got my breakfast for me because I was passed out. And they were just very sweet. I'm really glad. I'm looking forward to this. I hope I meet more nice people like that. And, yeah. Let's see what other trouble I can get into. Bye-bye.